channel. Today we review iQOO 95G. Let's see design. Model Alpha and Legend. Let's see all features. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform uses the latest 4nm process technology with Enhanced LPDDR5. 1,115,580 plus ANTUTU score. Beam frame interpolation can increase the maximum frame rate to 90 fps, thus delivering smooth images to users. Cooling system, which ensures more efficient heat conduction of the phone, and brings a better temperature experience and more intelligent temperature control. Supports 120-watt flash charge. It takes just 20 minutes to charge the battery from 1% to 100%. 6.78-inch 120Hz E5 AMOLED display lets you enjoy a seamless and smooth screen experience. 50 megapixels Gen5 ultra sensing camera, which capture the Amazon motion and night shots with the high light sensitivity and fast autofocus capability. 50 megapixels Gen5 ultra sensing camera. 13 megapixels ultra wide angle camera sample pic. Pro Sports Mode sample pic. Super Night Mode sample pic. Available in 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, which price is 49,999 rupees.